What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, Decentraland, also known as Mana. From the all-time high that is set at $5.8 in 2021, Mana has been dropping. We have seen it drop to as low as $0.78. Will Mana be a good hold through the bear market? Is down more than 87% from the all-time high. Should we start accumulating some right now, and especially for the next bull run? Is the dump over? Also be looking at Mana's performance. We'll be looking at the Decentraland US dollar price chart from its inception in 2017 till 2022. We'll also be looking at Decentraland's performance against Bitcoin, Decentraland's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Decentraland market cap, which currently sits at $1.4 billion after hitting an all-time high of over $10 billion in 2021. How low can it go in the bear market? If we're buying into the bear market, should we be expecting higher prices in the next bull run? How high can it go in the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a very red month in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been tanking. It looks as if the relief rally is over. Decentraland is currently down 16.4% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's down 19.6%. And in the last 1 week, it's down 5.7%. To the $1 million question, should we start buying some Mana right now? Is the dump over for it? We know that altcoins in the market used to dump from 90 to 99% from their all-time high. We have seen Mana dump a whooping 87% from the all-time high. Is it the time to start buying some Mana right now? Guys, Mana went on a huge bull run from March 2020. We saw it go from as low as $0.014 to as high as over $5.7 in 2021 November. That was a 38,000% increase in just 623 days. $1,000 invested in Decentraland right here would have returned over $387,000 at the top. But anytime you see this kind of huge pumps in crypto, guys, there's always huge dumps on the other side. There's always a long bear market waiting for us. And right now, from the top that Mana has set, if it's going to drop around 90 to 92% from the all-time high, we'll see Decentraland trading for around 0.4 to maybe around $0.26. A lot of people are not ready to expect Mana to go that low, but guys, this would be the perfect time to start accumulating some Decentraland in the bear market. The people that are accumulating some Decentraland in the bear market in 2020, maybe in 2019, I'm sure a lot of people are laughing at them, thinking we'll probably never see new all-time highs. And guess what, guys? From that level in 2019, we saw it pump more than 100x. So if you want to be among the people selling the top in the next bull run, if you want to get that 50x, 100x, maybe 1000x altcoin, you have to be buying them in the bear market, Decentraland included. Now, where important levels we want to see Decentraland hold during the bear market? The first level is the 0.78 level, and this is a very, very important level. You can see when we had the mini bear market in 2021, that was the level we consolidate around before we finally went to set another high in November 2021. Right now, we're consolidating around that level again. I'll expect Decentraland to fall below the 0.78 level at some point in time in the bear market. Guys, in the bear market, all coins are very, very risky. After seeing all coins go up more than 100, 200, some of them 300x, just like in the case of Mana, you'll be expecting some huge dumps along the way. And that important level you want to see Decentraland hold as we're dumping is the 0.27 level. This will be another level of interest for me. If it gets to this level, I might just start accumulating some Mana in the bear market. It would have mean from the all-time high for Mana that came in at $5.7, Mana would have been down around 95% from that all-time high. And I feel like that would be a very good accumulation region, because guys, if you look at what happened to Mana in 2018, that was the level where Mana had its top. That's just like Bitcoin coming back to 20k, which Bitcoin has already done. If we see Mana going back to the $0.27 level, and that will be a very, very good accumulation region. Even before we pump to new highs, you can see that when we got to that level, guess what happened? We had to consolidate a little bit around that level, and I believe that at some point in time in the future, you will see price interacting with this 0.27 region. From where we are right now, that's around 0.78. That's what Mana is trading for at the point of recording this video. It means we will drop another 64%. We may not drop another 64%, we might keep pumping to new highs, but you have to plan for both scenarios. And if you want to get those 20, 30, 50, maybe 100x return, you have to be able to invest in the bear market. And the bear market is a very, very long time. If you look at when Mana topped right here in 2018, it took it more than 784 days to finally find its bottom, and in that period it dumped more than 95%. So it may not happen right now, but I believe at some point in time in the future we might see Decentraland dump to the 0.27 region. Now let's take a look at some details about Decentraland Mana. Currently it has a market cap of $1.4 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $1.7 billion. In the last 1 year, we have seen it gone to as high as $5.9 and as low as $0.6. Currently, it's ranked 37 on CoinMarketCap, and we have over 900,000 people that have Decentraland on their watch list. We have 1.85 billion Mana in circulation out of a total supply of 2.1 billion tokens. Now, why do you want to hold Decentraland through the bear market? What makes it unique? Decentraland is built for content creators, businesses, and individuals that are looking for a new artistic medium, business opportunity, or source of entertainment. Decentraland is built for content creators, businesses, and individuals that are looking for a new artistic medium, business opportunity, or source of entertainment. Where can you get some Decentraland Mana if you want to buy some to hold through the bear market? Guys, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase, on Qcoin, on Kraken, Huber Global, FTX, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. A very, very popular altcoin. A lot of people have it on their watch list. If we take a look at Mana's performance against Bitcoin, it was pumping to the moon when the market was in easy mode. Everybody was YOLOing into some Mana. From the bottom right here that came in for Mana against Bitcoin on the 4th of January 2021, guess what, guys? It went up more than 4,500% in 315 days. That means if you invested 1 Bitcoin in Decentraland right here on the 4th of January 2021, you got to cash out more than 45 Bitcoin right here if you sold at the top in November 2021. Crazy, crazy. But I told you guys earlier in this video, anytime you see huge run-ups in all coins, including Decentraland like this, you expect some huge dumps in the bear market. And since that all-time high, we have seen it dump more than 72% against Bitcoin. And as I showed you guys earlier, guys, the bear market is a very, very long time, probably a year, 2 years plus before all these altcoins will start pumping to the moon. So if you're buying it right now, you have to think long term. We can still see new all-time lows for Decentraland against Bitcoin in the bear market. That's very, very possible because the amount of pump we had right here, you expect equal amount of them. Most times we'll give back all those gains and even set new lows, but only time will tell. But if you want to be buying some Decentraland through the bear market, you must remember it can go very high in the next bull run. Now, how high can it go in the next bull run? If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool for Decentraland from the top that came in right here at $5.8, $5.9, and we assume that the bottom is going to come in at $0.27 at some point in time in the future, guys, Decentraland can go to as high as over $23 at the top of the next bull run. From where we are right now, if it gets to $23, you get a more than 2,300% increase on your investment. It means $1,000 invested where Mana is right now. If it gets to over $20, you get more than $23,000. And if you're lucky enough to get some Mana around the 2.28, 2.27 region, and it gets to $20, guys, you'll be up more than 6,700% on your investment. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you the possibilities of the things that can happen in the top of the next bull run. Now, nobody would have expected Mana to go from as low as $0.017 to as high as $5.9. But guess what? It happened. When the market's in easy mode, when everything is pumping to the upside, that's when all these altcoins will show their strength. Now, if you take a look at Decentraland's performance against Ethereum, it outperformed Ethereum in 2021. We saw Decentraland outperform Ethereum by over 1,400% in just 315 days. But guys, after this kind of huge pump, you expect it to lose value against Ethereum. In the bear market, a lot of people will be running towards safety. That will be Bitcoin and Ethereum for a lot of people in the crypto market. They are not ready to speculate on a lot of these altcoins. They're not ready to YOLO in and expect everything to go to the moon. The bear market is very, very brutal. So guys, be careful out there. We might see new all-time lows for Decentraland against Ethereum. It means it might continue losing value against Ethereum. It doesn't mean the price will keep dumping. It just means maybe Ethereum will pump harder than it in the bear market. Maybe Ethereum will not dump as hard as it, or maybe it might just continue losing value against Ethereum. Guys, you want to protect yourself from the downside. Always respect risks in the bear market. Now, if you take a look at Decentraland's market cap, which got to an all-time high of over $10 billion at the top of the bull run on the 15th of November 2021. Very, very impressive if you ask me, from having a market cap of around just $14 million in March 2020. Decentraland's market cap flew to as high as $10 billion, more than a 67,000% increase in just 623 days. But with all these huge pumps, you will expect some huge dumps, and that's exactly what I'll be expecting with Decentraland Mana. I was expecting it to dump around 90, maybe 95% from the all-time high, which will take it to the previous all-time high is set in 2018. Guys, Bitcoin has already done that. We've seen Bitcoin go to as high as 69,000 and drop to the previous all-time high is set in 2018. Bitcoin came below 20,000. If Decentraland is going to perform the same trick, we're going to see the market cap of Decentraland drop to as low as $400 million. Is that possible? It's very, very possible. From where we are right now, it means we'll see another 60, maybe 70% drop in Decentraland market cap. Only time will tell how that will play out, but this is a very, very critical support level for Decentraland market cap. We hope it will hold through the bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price will you start buying some mana to hold through the bear market? If you have some mana right now, are you expecting to sell some? If you have some mana right now, will you be selling some, expecting lower prices? Or will you be accumulating more through the bear market? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3.